Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about prevention from DNS hacking. The most efficient prevention from DNS hacking is to restrict access. Restrict the access to your local DNS by protecting your operating system with a strong password. If possible, protect your computer with a BIOS password. You can search on Google upon BIOS passwords, or you can refer our tutorials. You should restrict access to your DNS web portal by IP address. While this might limit the usability if a staff member is traveling, it ensures that if your email account is compromised, that the attacker cannot log in from any IP address that is not already specified on your account. That means you specify the IP limit from where a user can log in into your system. Another reliable option is using reliable DNS services such as OpenDNS. OpenDNS is a domain name system resolution service. OpenDNS extends DNS, adding features such as misspelling correction, phishing protection, and optional content filtering. It provides an ad support service showing relevant ads when we search results and a paid advertisement free service as well. Let's have a look at OpenDNS website. It is www.opendns.com. This is how it looks like. They provide you domain name system from where your system can resolve IP addresses for the given domain name.